All right, let's get in here and check out this electric blower. But what's this, instructions? Yeah. Battery charger, probably need to keep that. Well, this is going to be easy. We got a blower. We got 2 batteries. And we got a nozzle for the end of the blower. Should we do a video on how to set this thing up? Sure, we can try. Put the arrows together, it says. It is now assembled. That was easy. Let's go blow something. Yeah, that is really lightweight, even with the battery in it. You can hand this to anybody. Let's go try it. So it's got a power button and a level button, level 1 to 6. This thing does 2,200 RPMs at up to how many CFMs? 750 CFMs and 280 miles an hour. Let's go try it. Yeah, so what I'll get here is all this. What I'll get here is all this dead grass on the side of the driveway. So we'll mow the lawn and a bunch of the grass will come up here. So we'll see if I can blow this stuff away down the edge of the driveway. Frankly, my lawn needs more help than just this, but we'll start somewhere. Yeah, so that just does just fine. It can't do nothing about the dead grass that's still growing on the side of the driveway, but it certainly blows away the dead grass that's cut on the side of the driveway. This thing has plenty of power, even blowing away gravel and rocks and stuff. For what it is, seems to work just fine.